When I reviewed the Redmi Pad Pro 5G, I genuinely liked it. The combo of solid hardware, a 12.1-inch panel, and a massive 10,000 mAh battery make it a great pick for students or anyone who wants a reliable tablet for streaming on a bigger screen. By the way, if you're interested, you can check out my Redmi Pad Pro 5G review. I'll link it in the description. Anyway, so when POCO announced their new tablet, the POCO Pad 5G, I was very intrigued. But as soon as I checked the specs, it became clear that it's almost identical to the Redmi Pad Pro 5G. I mean, POCO is known for rehashing Xiaomi devices, but this is just too on the nose. Even the design is practically the same. The only difference here is that the POCO Pad 5G is 1000 rupees cheaper than the Redmi Pad Pro 5G. So is it a better buy? Stick around and I'll break it down. And hey, if you're enjoying this, hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Alright, let's dive into the design. The POCO tablet has an all-metal unibody, a dual-tone rear panel, and a smooth matte finish and two small noticeable dents right here. Yup, that's right. Two friggin' dents right out of the box. We reached out to POCO about it but no word back yet. We thought maybe it was a shipping mishap, but then we saw this guy's video with almost the same dent issue in almost the exact same spots. So either we're facing one crazy coincidence or there's a quality control slip up at POCO. Either way, you might want to check out other reviews to see if this dent problem is more widespread before you decide to buy. Other than that, I'm happy to report that the front of the tablet is in great shape. Just like the Redmi Pad Pro, this one sports a 12.1-inch 2.5K LCD panel with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. While it might not be as vibrant as AMOLED screens, it's more than good enough here. The colors and contrasts are solid, and I had no trouble using it outdoors. The onboard quad speakers are also surprisingly good, making it more than capable for streaming the occasional video. POCO also offers additional accessories similar to the Redmi Pad Pro, including a stylus and keyboard case. However, they didn't provide those for us to test. In day-to-day use, switching from the Redmi Pad Pro to the POCO Pad was seamless. No noticeable difference. They share the same hardware and the software is identical, running Android 14 based on HyperOS. It's great for multitasking with up to 4 apps on screen. And POCO also promises 2 years of Android OS updates and 3 years of security patches, which is a nice touch. In daily use, the POCO Pad is a solid performer. The Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 isn't the most powerful chipset, but it handles everyday tasks like streaming video or browsing with ease. I also appreciate the inclusion of a 3.5mm headphone jack and a microSD slot, allowing you to expand storage if needed. Battery life is where the POCO Pad really shines, delivering over 9 hours of screen-on time in our testing. While it does take over 2 hours to fully charge the 10,000 mAh battery with a 33-watt charger, that's a small trade-off for the long-lasting power it provides. If I had to point out some downsides, it would be the lack of a fingerprint sensor. You're limited to traditional passwords and face unlock. And both the 8MP front and rear cameras are not much to boast about. All in all, POCO hasn't changed much from the Redmi Pad Pro, but the POCO Pad 5G offers better value for money, giving you the same mid-range tablet at a lower price. However, if you prefer the Redmi brand and have a slightly more flexible budget, you can go for the Redmi Pad Pro as well. Plus, the Redmi didn't come with any dents, so there's that too. Well, that's a wrap for this video. Let me know in the comments which tablet you prefer and I'll catch you in the next one. And oh, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.